So my first chart for the week is EURJPY, where I've gotten my edge from both weekly and daily time frame, and currently I've seen my entry set up from my 4-hour time frame and my 30 minutes time frame. So I'm currently trading this setup right now on both my equity funded account and my personal account with HFM. So this trade is going to I'm going to target a total of about 3,000 on my equity edge, and for my personal account with HFM, the target should be somewhere close to about 100k to double the account as usual. And talking about doubling the account, this HFM account has currently yielded over 731% return on investment in less than 3 weeks, and I'm going to be showing you guys a few details of how the account has done so far. But before then, I want to quickly show you the reason why we are buying this EURJPY. So like I said, market has broken the downtrend line and back tested the trend line to give us a clean bullish run. So I'm currently on this trade, and I'm going to be targeting a total of about 220 pips out of this trade. So why we do that, let me just give you a rundown of the account, the progress of the account where I'm trading this setup currently. As you can see, this is an account I funded just about 3 weeks ago, precisely on the 18th of August, and we are currently on the 3rd week trading this account. So far the account has yielded about 731% return on investment. Like I said, just yesterday I decided to withdraw 433,865 out of the account to take the account back to a starting capital of 100,000 naira. So the plan is to grow the account back again, but just to progressively show you guys, the clean trend of the account progress. And from all the charts here, you can see how clean the records on this account is. This is just to show you guys that this is not a fluke. This is a tested strategy that works perfectly well. Currently, like I said, the account is on 731% return on investment, and the highest trade I've made on this account is 33,500. The average return on profits is 452,000, and on the average trade I've taken, the average trade on this account made 11,367, and the average loss is just 700. So you can see the disparity between the profit and the loss on the trades I take. So once again, this shows this is not a fluke. This is a tested strategy that works perfectly well. And so far I've taken about 43 trades, and I've taken 13 buy trades. Won 12 out of it, which is 92%, and I've taken 30 short trades, and I've won 28 out of it. So far, out of the 43 trades, I've lost just 3 trades, and I've made 40 trades successfully. With the total lots, with the total pips of about 654,923 pips. So it's not just where it's not a scalping strategy where you just come to make a few pips and make huge money and then you lose it the next day. You can see the huge accumulation of pips that has been, So if this looks like the results you like to achieve for yourself, make a comment below and I'll tell you what you need to do to get an account with HFM and copy all my trade setup for free. Every setup I make on my trades automatically goes into yours as well.